Despite growing up with the Chinese last name of Chang, Ron's heritage is actually Korean. When his parents came to the States and went through the U.S. immigration process, their name Jong was misunderstood, and the immigration officials put Chang instead. But despite the immigration snafu and his mistaken ethnic identity, it hasn't stopped Ron from succeeding in corporate America. Earning his undergraduate degree in finance and an MBA from Pepperdine University, Ron has become the Vice President of Corporate Mergers and Acquisition for UPS. His boss praises Ron for a number of key attributes.
One of the biggest things is his drive for success and his passion for the business. When you give a project to Ron, you know that A, it's going to be done right and it's going to be done timely. And another really good quality is that he brings the people that work for him right up to speed and helps get them ready for their next assignments.
With over 20 years of finance and accounting experience, Ron has executed more than 56 deals in over 28 countries around the globe. He's lived abroad for 11 years in places such as London, Singapore, and South Korea. While abroad, Ron played a key role in the expansion of UPS and its subsidiary companies internationally, a role that required personal sacrifices.
Ron is someone who gets to work early, leaves late, very motivated, willing to travel, very flexible, and he fits in very nicely with our global expansion at UPS. He's got a lot of creativity, he can get things done in a short amount of time. It needs very little supervision to get him done. He's definitely a self-starter.
During the rare times that Ron is back in the UPS headquarters, he devotes his time as one of the key leaders for UPS's Asian Talent Management Development and Community Philanthropic Initiatives. Earlier this year, Ron helped establish a pilot project at UPS, the Diversity Leadership Development Program.
Because of his ability to convince the management, this program has been successful, even just a pilot program. So far, it has benefited a lot of our employees, not just Asian American. They have the opportunity to get mentorship training and also leadership skill training also on campus.
Ron's leadership skills demonstrate his professionalism and commitment to his team.
Ron's style is very inclusive. He gives us the autonomy to make decisions. What he does is he gives us the strategy and the goals and what we need to accomplish. And he just lets us be innovative and then be creative. And he knows and he believes in us that we are going to make it happen. And that makes a big difference.
Congratulations to Ron Chang for the Who's Who in Asian American Communities Leaders and Legends Award.